Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher Upper Dishrack Stop. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Upper Dishrack Stop. The Upper Dishrack Stop prevents the rail from being pulled out when you pull the dish rack out. The main should be changing it out if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Then we can pull out the upper rack so we have access to the rail. Now that we have the rack out, we can flip the lock over. All you have to do is swing it out of the way. The other one is the same way. Once you have them unlocked, we can pull the upper dish rack out and set it aside. Now we have access to the stops. They're located at the end of the rails on each side. They're both the same and changed out the same way. We're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to release this locking tab on the top. Once you have the top released, you can just turn it and pull out the bottom one and then pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old Upper Dish Rack Stop next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new stop in, we're going to put the lower tab in first and rotate it up and snap it in. Now we can put the upper dish rack back in. All you have to do is line the rollers up on the rails and push it in. Once you have it pushed in, we're going to lock it on. All you have to do is swing the locks back in place. Once you have them locked, you can push the rack back in, close the dishwasher door. Then we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.